To troubleshoot your BMO US account, start by checking your account status and ensuring you have the correct login credentials. Verify that your username and password are correct and that your account is not locked out due to excessive login attempts. Next, check your internet connection and ensure that it is stable and working properly. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause issues with accessing your account. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve any connection issues. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can help resolve any issues caused by outdated or corrupted browser data. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-Delete keys on your keyboard and following the prompts to clear your browsing data. Another common issue is outdated browser versions. Ensure that your browser is up to date and compatible with the BMO US website. You can check for updates in your browser settings and install the latest version. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try accessing your account from a different device or browser. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your device or browser. If you are able to access your account from a different device or browser, the issue may be with your original device or browser. Additionally, check for any maintenance or outage notifications on the BMO US website. Sometimes, the website may be undergoing maintenance or experiencing technical issues, which can cause access problems. If you have tried all of the above steps and are still unable to access your account, contact BMO US customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on resolving the problem. It is also a good idea to keep your account information and login credentials up to date and secure. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to BMO US customer support. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your BMO US account. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to prevent any future issues.